Caveman see friend lift big rock. Same arms, same training, but friend stronger. Caveman suspicious. Caveman ask, what secret? Friend say, creatine. Creatine is natural energy helper. Body already have some. You also get small amount from meat and fish. But amount is so small, not enough for big strength gains. So caveman take more from scoop. Muscle use energy called ATP. ATP go empty very fast during hard work. When ATP gone, strength drop. You feel weak, you stop. Creatine help bring ATP back faster. Creatine help keep more ATP in muscle. More creatine equals more quick energy. More energy equals more reps, more strength. When to take it? Time not important. When you wake up? Yes. While cave woman is talking? Yes. While you're asleep outside cave? Go ahead. Just take 5 grams every day. Consistency matter more than timing. Muscle can't read time. Scoop creatine. Put scoop creatine in water. Mix. Drink. No bonfire dance needed. No chanting required. No sacrifice needed. Caveman tested with seal of approval. Creatine help increase strength. Creatine help increase reps. Creatine help improve performance. It also pull water into muscle. Muscle look fuller and bigger. Not fake muscle, just well hydrated muscle. No, it will not turn you into super caveman overnight. If it did, everyone would be wrestling T-Rex. Side effect? If take too much at once, stomach may complain. Solution? Don't be greedy. Take proper dose, drink enough water, and stop using nose. Use your mouth. Which type to buy? Creatine monohydrate. Most studied, most proven, most affordable. No need for fancy flavored version. If names sound like energy drink, skip it. Plain works best. Quick recap. Want more strength? Creatine. Want better workouts? Creatine. Want muscle look fuller? Creatine. Simple powder, well tested, effective. Use it right. And one day, heavy rock, feel less heavy.